Shavua Shechalba, the week which Tisha BeAv falls. So the last few years we've been having a situation where Tisha BeAv has been falling either on Sunday or fell on Shabbat and was nidche, was pushed after Sunday. So the concept of Shavua Shechalba for Sfaradim was moot because we didn't have it, because there was no time for it. So now we have a few laws which we have to prepare for this year, because Tisha BeAv will be on Wednesday night, Thursday. So beginning from Motzei Shabbat until after the fast, we have the restrictions with laundry, okay, which means no laundry and no ironing and no dry cleaning of clothing, but also no wearing of those clothes which have been freshly laundered or freshly ironed or freshly dry cleaned. Which means that for Ashkenazim, they started this from Rosh Chodesh Av, from Wednesday morning, from Tuesday night even. But for us, we start this on Saturday night, and therefore, any clothes we want to wear from Motzei Shabbat until after Tisha BeAv, we need to have at least taken them off and made sure that they have been used a little bit. So ways to do that: you can wear them, or you can just put them on the floor, pick them back up again, and put them away. That's just two ways that you can have them so that they're not considered freshly laundered, so that they can be worn during this period.